In this module, we will review what scheduled tasks are, preparation for adding scheduled tasks, how to add a scheduled task, and how to create a scheduled task profile. Scheduled tasks allow administrators to configure Enable and Essential to perform specific maintenance functions for a singular instance or on a recurring basis. Scheduling a task eliminates manual processes. It is possible to run scheduled tasks across multiple customers or sites. Combining this functionality with filters also allows administrators the option to target specific devices. When using filters, Enable Essential takes a snapshot of the filter for the targeted device or devices to include in the task. When running future tasks, the snapshot works to avoid potential unexpected behavior. Apply a task to devices using a scheduled task profile. This permits a task to apply to the devices using a rule. Scheduled task profiles allow tasks to be combined into one standardized task. This increases the ease of device management. Access to profiles is based on the account level where they are created. Profiles created at the SO level are available to all customers and sites within that configuration. Profiles created at the customer level are only available to that customer. If scheduled tasks appear grayed out when viewing at the customer or site level, the task was created at the SO level. It cannot be edited at the lower levels. Scheduled tasks are only available on professional license mode. Automation Manager and Push third-party software scheduled tasks are only available for Windows devices. If you're planning to add those tasks, be sure that all devices are using Windows OS. Scheduled tasks are run on the time zone of the device, not the server. If devices are across different time zones, tasks will not show complete until the device in the latest time zone finishes the task. Be aware that when scheduling multiple tasks, a timing overlap can impact how much memory or processing power is available for all of a machine's planned jobs.